Good evening, sir. My name is Charles Richard Sinangote. I'm 18 years old from Barangay Hindang, Borongan City, and I'm from BSMT 1 Bravo. So, for the first question, the explanation and proof of the presence of a supernatural being using a tangible object that relates to a scientific finding about the universe fine tuning. I'm gonna use an object called the cycle or science calculator. So, for the first question, I believe that the existence of a supernatural being can be explained through the fine tuning of the universe. Fine tuning means that the laws and constant of the universe are perfectly balanced to allow life to exist. Even a very small change in these conditions could make life impossible. One scientific example of that is gravity. Gravity is strong enough to hold planets, stars, and galaxies together, but not too strong that everything collapses instantly. Scientists discovered that if the gravitational force was slightly weaker or stronger, stars would not form properly, and planets would not exist, and life would be impossible. Now, let's go to the tangible object example, which is the cycle or science calculator. This science calculator is made with exact formulas, functions, and program systems. Every button and operation has a specific purpose. If even one formula or function is wrong, the calculator can produce incorrect answers and fail to work properly. An example of this is if you are in class and you are solving a mathematical equation, and you input uh, you input the formulas here in the uh, science calculator, and then if you missed even one formula or one function, then you would not get the answer that you want, and instead it would just give what we call this in an error, with error or cancel, which means that it won't work because the one formula or the one function that you input is wrong. In the same way, the laws also operates with precision. The laws of the universe also operates with precision. The laws of physics, gravity, temperature, and other constants work together accurately, almost like this calculator right here, almost like a calculations in a system. So many people believe that this precise order and fine tuning point to the existence of an intelligent or supernatural creator behind the universe. So now for the second question that we have is um, sex assigned at birth. I'm gonna provide a scientific explanation that it is indeed untrue. So I object to the phrase sex assigned at birth because scientifically, sex is not assigned randomly by doctors or society. Biological sex is defined based on physical and genetic characteristics already present in the body. Science explains that sex is mainly determined by chromosomes, reproductive organs, and hormones. Typically makes Typically, males have XY chromosomes while females have XX chromosomes. These traits naturally develop before birth. Uh, when scientists observe the weather using instruments, they are not assigning the weather. They, they are identifying and recording what already exists. Because similarly, doctors also observe biological characteristics and record the person's sex at birth. So, although rare intersex conditions exist, they are biological variations and do not remove the scientific covers the categories of male and female. That is all, sir. Thank you.